okubori wani go kwabekirwe ase ababwatani ao anene kubwatirana erikoene kibuna ngokine bale ebirengo by'ekisemi ase bunge ya Bumachoge aborabu county ya Kisii ekero balengi gukwana umubaso bw'erituko lero chinga kichugo cha Kebene omurobelio bokubwatuka chibasari ase skuru ya secondary ya St Peters Keberesi omujumbe bwensemeju omosike Obadia Barongo nigo aberiga gotebabuna nigo obwasyoku bwabere bogochikoene kigwa anene aso omurobelio yo boigo aborokiwa nigo babere bagosegeto kubekumukia elio bachigwekonya asa matukale bosyo anene asa masomabo umurikito Daniel Ontiri naikirana ase chinsemecho nabona nigo atwaleganirie roboturu aso
Gukone mambia ya lero chinga kichugo cha Kebene basari hasa borikigwa isene shilingi 1,253 umujumbe Bumachoge borabu moske Nolfason Obadia Barongo nigago keire kugendera gukora ibiya gw'ekisukuru cyensemeye oteba gwetera somokia ibirengo by'amasomo bichikogendera komentekana.
So I want to congratulate our teachers, and I also want to thank and congratulate our parents, and I want to encourage them to continue to put their children, to put our schools at the very top of the priorities that they pursue in their lives. And in this particular environment, all of us will be able to realize our dreams through the investments that education puts in that particular investment.
Asigikaro ekyo kyale tamo abwatani ao b'ekisemi ase skuru ya secondary ya St Peters Keberesi abarukiwa chiribu 13 n'ekimisano n'ibere nigo bakonyeka kuraso muroboliga n'echinga kecyo kwanira obwasyo ko bwanegativwe chinga kicyo muroboligo mugima bwokubagana chibasari.
We do this without any bias whatsoever. We make sure that we award students belonging to parents who are actually voters of this constituency. And this 13,700 awardees is an increment from the 10,800 awardees that we had in the year 24-25. And this excitement, I think, is arising from the fact that the verification exercise that we have and the communication that we have put out to the parents is such that any applicant who can genuinely demonstrate to us that they are interested in the welfare of their child will have to be awarded.
Asense mwende ingana igoro ya sara yemerero achiskuru nigo yakwanirwa nesegeto yarwegwa asaborokigwa gokoromokia asa masomo abo
na tumeengage zile mashule zingine ambayo tulikuwa nasikia kama tuko na issues, and I think right now vile tunapata habari ni kuwa hizo temperature sasa zimerudi chini. Sasa hii atuoni kitu ambayo inaweza hofisha, but tuko majo, tunaangalia kila mahali kuhakikisha kuwa wanafunzi wetu katika shule zetu wako salama.
This applies for you and for us as a school. So we also invite you another time to come and launch more projects of this kind.
Magiga ya Mosike Barongo nigigora magacho y'ikinyumba kinya cyoboraro asaborokigwa abaiseka se skuru ye bunencheremo ko yogo kinebirengo by'amasomo. Kuruba terigeta seni cyagatembe kurega Bumachoge borabu ime county ya Kisii. Eriterane ngoro kwa Daniel Ontiri.